The DAM is a digital asset management system. If you have images, photographs, videos, logos, brand collateral, you need a digital asset management system to store, manage, and provide access to your assets.
That's great.
A DAM helps you aggregate all your assets in one place as a single source of truth. It helps you make your assets available, because an asset that you cannot find is not an asset. It helps you control who can access your assets and what they can use them for. It controls the who, the what, the why of how assets are used, and gives you a complete audit trail of the usage. Some solutions focus on the production cycle of a digital asset. Some solutions focus on the management and distribution of assets. Our solution focuses on both these areas. If you have a geographically dispersed team, multi-campus or international team working on the production cycle, our solution will help that team collaborate on the production. Once an asset is finalised, and you have to control the access and availability of that asset, our solution will help you with that aspect as well. We cover the entire spectrum. Libraries and museums have entrusted us with their collections because our solution is more than just software. It is also our collective experience in designing and implementing flexible and intuitive workflows and implementing international standards such as the Spectrum metadata schema. Our mobile app has really struck a chord with the cultural sector, galleries, libraries and museums. Our app allows preservation specialists to take photographs of artefacts and add them to condition reports in the field immediately when something is noticed with an artefact. It can be photographed, documented and uploaded to the digital asset management system. Our solution will help brand managers create and manage brand collateral. An example would be allowing users to download positionals and providing the high definition files after the artwork has been approved. We can manage just about any type of rich media, TIFFs, JPEGs, Apple ProRes video, and we can transcode at faster than real time. If you have 4 video types that you require, we'll process those in parallel. A lot of our clients have very large video files. They want to make those available in various formats. For example, you might have an Apple ProRes file and you want to make it available as a standard definition or a web preview, for example. So processing your ProRes into those files does take a long time. What we do is we process those various outputs in parallel, so it happens a lot faster. A lot of our clients operate internationally, and our multilingual capability is really important. If you're a brand manager, for example, wanting to address emerging markets, it's really important to operate in those geographies with the local language. We can offer a complete multilingual solution where the navigation and the content is all translated.
Fantastic.
These days, brands are updated quite frequently. When you update a brand, how do you control the use of your new brand in your marketing collateral? You want to make sure that the new logo, for example, is used on all the material. With our API, you can control the use of logos in all your marketing material. Collecting your assets into one place as a single source of truth has never been easier. With our system, you can upload assets from Dropbox, Facebook, your local desktop, just about anywhere. A lot of our clients work on the move and have to juggle various roles. Having our application on a mobile phone or a tablet is very important. So we have HTML5, it's a fluid display, it works well, it's easy to use, it's enjoyable to use. Our mobile app is really useful for the cultural sector, preservation documentation, for corporate event documentation, and for social campaigns. We are a truly global operation with clients and partners, a network of support from London, Vienna, Dubai, Wellington, Tokyo, Chicago, and New York. Our solution is very modular, so you can start off with a very cost-effective package and grow as your needs grow. For example, you may have 2,000 or 3,000 assets at the start, and you may grow to tens of thousands of assets over a period of time. Our system is really easy to learn. We do have on-site training and webinar training, but most of our users learn using the system. We have about 40,000 users internationally. We manage about 5 million transactions per year, and we have fewer than 200 help desk inquiries per year with people looking for help on how to use the system. That's a vindication of how robust and easy to use the system is. Now that if you wish to add e-commerce to your solution, it's as easy as adding a PayPal account, or you can use our custom e-commerce solutions to connect to your bank. We'll take care of the tax for you as well, calculate the appropriate tax according to where the user is located. Security of assets is very important to all of our clients. We offer defense-grade security in our hosted solution, and if you wish to store your assets in-house, we offer a client storage solution as well. Our system is the best way to syndicate your assets. You can control when your assets are used, how long they're used, and it can be with a link that can expire or an email notification according to your preference. When it comes to finding specific footage in a video, it can be very time-consuming scrubbing through a video to look for a certain scene. One feature that we can offer to our clients is the ability to detect scenes and break up videos into its component scenes and make it very easy to search using visual cues of small thumbnails of each scene. It's a lot more efficient than scrubbing through a video. One of the aspects of our system which is particularly appealing to government and brand management clients is the ability to show the location of an image on a map using the geocoordinates. We have a lot of built-in workflows that help you manage the entire life cycle of a digital asset. If you have specific requirements, such as in the cultural sector, for acquiring assets, managing the asset and deaccession, for example, they are managed using our workflows. We have a number of workflows built into the system to make it easy to manage the entire life cycle of a digital asset. We have a lot of experience in designing and implementing workflows for the cultural sector and brand managers. And the main thing is to make sure that people are committed to a workflow and to using it. It has to be simple, and it has to be easy to understand, and it has to be flexible. If you have a Dropbox account, you have an excellent filing system for assets, but you need to manage those assets. This is what we can do for you. So in parallel with Dropbox, our solution sits beside Dropbox to manage your assets.